So this is the skin of the old roof console. My mate 3D printed this. Now there are some design flaws in it, like we didn't account for the corners of the switches breaking into this hole with a particular screw in it, and I did have to get a soldering iron and make two little notches for the locator on the rotary switches. But other than that, like, it went together pretty well, and the gauges slipped right in, and that basically copies the accent of this roof lining. Obviously it's all contorted up to shit, but originally it was like a direct match on there, and it was just on a box, and the front part overhung the mirror mount. So what I might do is, if I speak to my mate and see if he's still got the file for this that we 3D modelled, I'll put that up on the forum. If any of you guys are keen on 3D printing, you can have a whack at that.